Alrighty guys, Thx For here, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick little informational video. So one of my friends who's starting to get into streaming has asked me something about OBS, and I thought they might as well do a video on it, and I actually lied to him. He asked me in a live stream, and I told him, and I actually lied to him. So I apologize, asterisks. I apologize. I did not tell you the truth, because I really didn't mess around with it that much. Actually, I did, and I just never really noticed it. So what you want to do is, if you don't have something set up like this already, what you want to do is click down here on the plus symbol, and then right here you'll see text GDIT. Click on that. You can add a new one, or if you already have an existing one, you just click on the existing one. Mash OK. Then you can write in everything. But I never noticed this bar right here on the right. I don't know if my mouse is showing up on the screen, but there's a bar right here on the right. And if you slide the bar down, you can make background things. So yeah, you can click any font that you want. It's kind of weird to go through, but there's all sorts of fonts stuff here that you can go through if you want to pick a font. And if you know the name of the font, I'm sure you can just type it right in. Let's see, real quick. No, you can't. All right, so you just pick it out here. Pick any font that you want. You can pick a regular or italic, and then you pick any size that you want as well. I'm pretty sure you can type in the size here. Yes, you can. You type any size that you want. But yeah, let's click on 7 just for the demonstration of this video. Then you text anything that you want into this. There you are. But then what if you want to change the color? You click right here, select color. You pick any color that you want. Any color, you pick the hue, the red, green, and blue, saturation, everything. So you can like pick the right color, exactly the color that you want. Mine is this color actually, so I'm just going with that. It's my favorite color to use. And then right here, you use background color. So you can pick any color for background. I will just go for black. That's my color that I like using. But if you want all the way opacity all the way up, you can. And you can do anything like you really want to. I'm pretty sure you cannot read this up whatsoever. And where is it? Oh, it's up here at the top right. Yeah, because I have so many things up here. Yeah, you cannot read that at all. So don't use whatever I just used as a thing. I don't even know what that is. I think it's because the letters are too small. Yeah, I think that's the problem. Yeah, I think the letters are too small. But I use Streamlabs OBS because I like that one a little bit better. But I'm showing you how to use it on regular OBS. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same as Streamlabs as well, but just a little bit different. Let's save this and just close this. Probably drag that back. Go again. There you are. So you see, it looks a little bit better. Now, of course, the other texts would look better as well, but that's basically all you really need to know. You can change the color, you can change alignment to the left or top or center, like if you're having like multiple pages. If you don't know what I mean, this is what I mean right here. So say you're doing another line, you're doing like this, and it's a alignment to the right. If you want it in the center, I mean the left, all the way to the left, like it would be like if you're writing in a book or something. If you want it centered, that's you pick on center. The vertical alignment, I don't know, I have no clue how you do that, but it seems to be all right. You can outline it like that. You can change the color of the outline. Chat log mode, which I have no clue what it is. I've not used that before. Custom text utensils. You can pick the width and everything of all of everything, and that's basically all that you need to know about it. So yeah, what I normally do is I don't have any of this other stuff on personally. All I use is the backline, the color, and I have no clue what my text is. I cannot remember off the top of my head what I use for text. I'm pretty sure it is. Let's see if I can find it real quick. All right, so I found the text that I use. I use Snap. Snap ITC right here. That's what I like using. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. I found it. I actually already recorded this, and I'm pretty sure I'm not recording it now. Yes, I am actually. Don't know why that popped up. Anyway, this is what I use. But then basically all you need is the color and of course the background color if you want the background color, because sometimes the colors will blend in with whatever game you're playing, and you change the opacity and everything on it. But yeah, that's about it. So if you guys have liked this video, please give this video a like, subscribe, hit that bell, and comment down below. Do you want me to do any more OBS videos? I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!